Let's be your mind as a magnet, the secret Napoleon Hill never told publicly. My friends, there is a secret so powerful, so profound, that if you learn to use it, it can change the entire course of your life. This secret has been whispered through generations of successful men and women. It has been buried in the pages of philosophy, hidden behind the words of poets, and guarded in the hearts of dreamers. It is the truth that your mind, and your mind alone, is a magnet. It attracts to you the very essence of what you think, what you believe, and what you expect. Now you may ask, how can that be possible? How can thoughts, invisible and fleeting as air, have the power to shape the material world? But I tell you, it is not only possible, it is the very foundation of every great success story that has ever been written. The law of mental magnetism. Every human mind, whether it knows it or not, is constantly broadcasting vibrations of thought. These thoughts travel outward, connecting you with conditions, people, and opportunities that match their nature. Just as the needle of a compass is drawn to the magnetic north, your life is drawn toward the dominant thoughts that occupy your mind. If your mind is filled with fear, you attract the things you fear. If your mind is filled with courage and faith, you attract the opportunities to demonstrate them. You cannot escape this law. You may deny it, you may ignore it, but you cannot break it, for it is as unchangeable as the law of gravity. What you think, you become. What you feel, you attract. What you imagine, you create. That, my friends, is the secret many never truly understand. The seed of every miracle. Everything that exists in this world, every building, every invention, every great achievement began first as a thought. Before the airplane ever soared across the sky, it existed as a vision in the mind of the Wright brothers. Before the light bulb illuminated the world, it glowed only in the imagination of Thomas Edison. Before wealth filled the pockets of Andrew Carnegie, it filled his thoughts with purpose and desire. Every thought is a seed, and just as a farmer plants a seed and waits patiently for it to grow, so must you plant the seeds of success in the garden of your own mind. If you plant corn, you do not expect to harvest wheat. If you plant faith, you will not reap failure. If you plant doubt, you will not harvest victory. The soil of the mind is neutral. It does not care what seeds you plant. It will return to you whatever you sow, whether that be abundance or scarcity, joy or misery, success or failure. The power of definite thought. Many people go through life wishing vaguely for success, hoping that somehow good fortune will find them. But hope alone is not enough. You must have a definite purpose, a clear, unwavering image in your mind of what you truly desire. Napoleon Hill once said, "A definite major purpose backed by burning desire is the starting point of all achievement." The mind cannot attract what it cannot see. Therefore, you must see your goal clearly, not as a distant dream, but as a living reality already taking form. Close your eyes and imagine yourself in possession of your dream. Feel the emotion of success before it arrives. Speak of it as if it were already yours, because when you impress a clear and definite image upon your subconscious mind, the universe begins to rearrange itself to bring that image into reality. Your thought, held with emotion, becomes a command to the invisible forces of life. The subconscious servant within you lies a mysterious power, a silent partner that never sleeps, your subconscious mind. It listens to every word you speak, it believes every thought you think, and it works day and night to manifest what you impress upon it. If you constantly tell yourself, "I am weak, I cannot succeed," your subconscious accepts that command and brings it to pass. But if you declare, "I am strong, I am capable, I am destined for greatness," then your subconscious begins to move heaven and earth to make it so. The subconscious mind does not argue. It does not reason. It simply obeys. Therefore, guard your thoughts as you would guard a treasure. Never permit a thought of fear or doubt to linger in your mind. Replace it instantly with one of faith and purpose. For as long as you think in terms of limitation, you will live a limited life. But when you think in terms of abundance, abundance will surely come. Faith, the master magnet. There is no force more powerful than faith. Faith is the vibration that transforms thought into reality. It is the bridge between the invisible and the visible, between imagination and manifestation. When you truly believe, not merely wish, that your goal is possible, you ignite a magnet so strong that no obstacle can stand before it. Many fail not because they lack ability, but because they lack faith. They see a mountain and say, "It is too high to climb." But the man of faith looks at that same mountain and says, "There is always a way." Faith opens doors that effort alone cannot. It calls forth unseen assistance, unexpected opportunities, and divine coincidences that carry you forward when logic says you should fail. Hold your faith firm. Do not let the storms of doubt shake it, for every time you say, "I believe," the magnet of your mind grows stronger. Fear, the great repellent. Just as faith attracts, fear repels. Fear is the opposite pole of the mental magnet. It drives away opportunity, weakens your energy, and blinds you to possibilities. Fear of poverty keeps men poor. Fear of failure keeps men from trying. Fear of criticism keeps men small. When you let fear rule your mind, you broadcast signals of defeat, and the world responds accordingly. The cure for fear is simple: action and belief. Do the thing you fear, and the fear will die. Feed your mind daily with courage, optimism, and gratitude, and fear will lose its power over you. Remember, a magnet cannot attract steel if rust covers its surface. So too, your mind cannot attract success while corroded with fear. The hidden power of emotion. Emotion is the fuel that powers thought. A thought without feeling is weak and easily forgotten, but a thought charged with emotion, joy, passion, conviction becomes magnetic. Every great leader, every successful entrepreneur, every artist and inventor, they all felt deeply what they desired. They lived their vision in their emotions before it appeared in their lives. If you wish to attract success, you must feel success. If you wish to attract love, you must feel love. If you wish to attract abundance, you must feel abundant. Your emotions broadcast your vibration to the universe, and the universe, being perfectly impartial, returns to you more of what you vibrate. Therefore, do not wait for success to feel successful. Feel it first, and success will come as surely as night follows day. The company you keep. Your mind not only attracts circumstances, it also attracts people. You are a magnet not only to opportunities, but to other minds that resonate with your own. If you think small, you will attract small thinkers. If you think greatly, you will attract visionaries. This is why you must choose your company wisely. Surround yourself with those who lift your thoughts higher, who believe in possibility, who speak faith into your dreams. A single negative mind in your circle can drain your magnetism and plant seeds of doubt. But one encouraging friend can multiply your strength tenfold. Seek out those whose minds vibrate on the same frequency as your ideals. Together, you can move mountains. The law of correspondence. As within, so without. Whatever you hold in your inner world must sooner or later appear in your outer world. You cannot think poverty and live in abundance. You cannot think sickness and live in health. You cannot think failure and live in success. The world is but a mirror, reflecting the images held in your consciousness. If you wish to change your outer conditions, begin by changing your inner pattern of thought. When you cleanse your mind of doubt, life will cleanse itself of obstacles. When you fill your heart with gratitude, life will fill itself with blessings. When you see only success, you will walk a path paved with it. Imagination, the workshop of the soul. Imagination is not mere fantasy. It is the workshop of creation. Through imagination, the mind molds the formless substance of thought into definite plans, inventions, and achievements. Everything you can see, touch, or use in this world first existed in someone's imagination. The mind creates pictures and the body follows. Yourself strong, confident, and prosperous, your subconscious accepts that image as truth and begins to express it through your actions. If you imagine yourself weak, unworthy, or defeated, it will create that reality instead. You are the artist, and imagination is your brush. Paint boldly, and life will match your colors. Gratitude, the magnetic amplifier. There is one force that multiplies every blessing: gratitude. A grateful heart emits a frequency of joy that draws to it more things to be grateful for. When you give thanks, even for small things, you open the gates for larger things to flow in. Gratitude turns ordinary moments into miracles. The man who constantly complains closes the door to opportunity. But the man who says thank you opens himself to abundance. Gratitude and desire must work hand in hand. Desire sends the signal of what you want. Gratitude strengthens the signal and brings it faster. So begin each day with thanks for what you have and for what is yet to come. Persistence, the final key. No magnet can attract instantly. It must be charged continuously. So it is with your mind. One day of positive thinking cannot erase years of doubt. You must persist in faith until your mental magnet grows strong enough to move the world. Persistence is the true test of belief. Anyone can believe when success seems near. Only the strong keep believing when the night is dark. Every failure, every delay, every difficulty is but a test to measure how much faith you truly possess. Keep moving forward. Keep your vision before you. Keep speaking your desire with confidence. For the man who refuses to quit becomes unstoppable. And when you reach that point, the universe itself bends to your will. The master's secret: you become what you think about most. If I were to reveal the ultimate key, the one principle that governs all others, it would be this: you become what you think about most of the time. That is the law of your mind. That is the magnetism that shapes your destiny. If your thoughts dwell upon lack, you will live in lack. If your thoughts dwell upon abundance, abundance will surround you. If your mind is fixed on love, love will find you wherever you go. So guard your thoughts with all diligence, for they are writing the story of your life each passing day. Closing words. The call to awaken. My friends, this is the secret that has been whispered in sacred halls, written in holy texts, and confirmed by science itself. Your mind is a magnet. You are the master of your fate, the captain of your soul, because you control your thoughts. The moment you realize that your mind attracts, creates, and shapes your destiny, you will no longer look outward for change. You will look inward, where all power begins. Remember always, think only of the good you desire. Believe that it is already yours. Feel gratitude as if it has already come. Act with faith and never give up. For the universe listens not to your words alone, but to the vibration of your heart. So go now and think richly. Dream boldly, live with purpose, and never forget your mind is a magnet. Whatever you think about, you bring about.